But even though fear and greed is low and down at 21 at the moment, if we look at the Fed's balance sheet, we can see something very suspicious happening. If we zoom out over time, when the balance sheet goes up, that is quantitative easing, which means that causes cryptocurrency bull markets. And when the chart is going down, that is quantitative tightening, which they have been promising they are doing right now. They are claiming they are still doing. However, if we look closely at the balance sheet, we were monitoring this and showing you this, and we alerted you about this from the very bottom, that this trend has changed before everybody is talking about it, guys, and that this could be the local new bottom here. Okay, just like if we zoom all the way out, just like this was the bottom, right? And then at the start of that was the COVID start of the COVID crisis, and that this was the bottom down here previously, and all of these previous lows caused the next bull market runs and cycles coming up, right? This is something important to keep your eye on. So if we zoom in here, they are claiming that they are letting the assets run off their balance sheet, but what is happening is we are now going up, guys. This is a long-term, multi-month now upwards trend right here, okay, for the Fed's balance sheet. So this means they are printing money, guys, and this week's reading, if we zoom right in, has now exploded again to the upside and gone back up to the high. So it is about to take out this level, as you can see here, right? So this is about to take out this level at 6.73 trillion, and the Fed's balance sheet is about to go over that. If the Fed's balance sheet goes over this up to 6.4 and 6.5 trillion, 6.74 and 6.75 respectively, then this, guys, could be heading towards all-time highs again, right? Which is all the way up at around 9 trillion over here for the Fed's balance sheet. This typically always causes bull markets, and it has done every time this has done so in the past for Bitcoin and crypto. Now, if we also look at the M2 money supply, this is also aligning with this perfectly. Look at this. It just continues going up and up in a parabolic structure here. And once again, if we zoom into this latest week's reading, the latest week that came out for the US money supply, it was another huge step up. Okay, so that was this part here, from here to here, right? So it's gone up again, another nearly another 0.5% of the world's money supply was created in just the last week alone. Okay, so you can see that there, and that is this part, which is this new reading. So as you can see, it goes up, then goes sideways, and then up and sideways, and creates these steps going up. So the chart is ultimately on an upwards trajectory. This is huge amounts of money getting injected into the system and huge amounts of liquidity. Now, as a result of all of this is why we can also see the stock markets at all-time highs. We have the S&P 500. Look at this, all-time highs. We have NASDAQ, okay, all-time highs, and they are all pushing further. And it's the same here for all the US stock market indexes. This is the tech stocks and the tech bubble. Even the Dow Jones Industrial Index, which isn't the tech stocks, that's going up as well. And then the Russell 2000 has today, in fact, made a new all-time high.